guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a autumn haul. In this haul I'm going to do something a bit different. Usually I either do like a try and haul and I sometimes do like a split screen. What I'm going to do, I think I'm going to show you how I would style the clothes. So I'm just going to go through all the items, and at the end I think I'm just going to show clips of like outfits I put together with like a blouse or skirt from the haul. I just wanted to try something different. Usually I just will like show the blouse on or something, but I think I'm just going to leave that to the end. I think it'd be easier to just show all the clips of the clothing at the end. So yeah, I'm just trying something different to how I usually film a haul. Right, so this is just like a little knitted jumper. I really should have took all my items off the coat hanger before, but I didn't, so just bear with me. So it's like a little what's it called, crochet jumper. I thought this would be really nice. It's more autumn because I don't think it actually, because obviously it's got a little bit of like gaps in it. In the probably in the winter it might be a bit cold, but for the autumn time I thought this would be really cute paired with like a little skirt. I've got like a little checked skirt which I want to, like beige skirt I want to wear it with. So this next item is a skirt from TU. Again, this was also £3.50. All my thrift items are usually about £3.50. To a more really cute with this with the jumper, because I think cream and brown look really nice together. Let me sit back. Like I said, I show clips of them like styled and how I would wear them. So yeah, that's really cute, and it's got this like pocket on the side. So I thought it's another thrifted skirt. I think it was about £3.50 from New Look. I just absolutely love these like checked straight, like quite tight skirts in the winter. I just think they're really easy to style. They go with anything. This will just go with a black blouse or a black jumper, and I just think they're really, like I said, really easy to style. I don't know what it is about this checked like pattern, tartany pattern. It just reminds me of like autumn and winter. So yeah, I just think these type of skirts always are really easy to style things with, or you could just wear a black t-shirt with it, a black blouse. You can obviously, if you want to add a pop of colour, add a you know, wear a different, add a colour skirt. Another item I purchased on the charity shop, again £3.50. This is just a Sarah basic nude blouse. I think that is everything. So yeah, I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please feel free to comment, rate and subscribe, and I shall see you in my next video. I've got a couple of ideas for autumn videos, and ooh, my camera's dying, and I've got some exciting news. I should be moving soon, so hopefully I have like a new room to decorate, and yeah, I might make some vlogs doing that. But I'm like moving out of the area I live in, so a bit sad, but I'm also excited, so that's going to be fun. Don't know why I sounded really sarcastic, yeah. So the videos will probably might be a bit sporadic because obviously with the move, I have to get everything sorted, but yeah, I've got that to look forward to. So anyway, my camera battery's only has 4 minutes left, so I better finish this video quickly. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I shall see you in my next one.